Yo, morning guys. All right, just got to Dothan, Alabama, and I'm out here for a documentary screening at Reset Mercantile. It's a shop over here. And I just got to, I think it's the only skate park in the area. And it's not even really a skate park, it's a DIY. It's called The Courts. And this place is pretty cool. Check this out, I've never seen this. I wonder if this will work like through the screen right here. You guys let me know if it does, but that's awesome. Looks like they build everything here. Pushing since 2020. Yeah, it's awesome. I've never seen a QR code like that. I'm sure there's, a bunch of those around, but I've never actually seen one at the DIY where you could support like that. So, yeah, if you guys got it, throw them some support, because it looks like this is the only place they have to skate around here. And let me give you a quick tour. Skate quarter pipe in the corner, probably about 4 feet or so, 4.5 maybe. This thing right here, this looks pretty new and very fun. Look at that. Yeah, that thing looks awesome. We got this spine right here. It's a very fun height to learn tricks on. Quarter pipe over there with some nice steepness to it. And it appears that they're actively working on projects, and it looks like they're doing a good job too. That's a well-built pyramid right there. Yeah, it's round rail, curbs, rainbow rail. Nice metal bench. That thing looks fun. Ledges everywhere. Look at that.
Skating?
Yeah, what's your name?
Bo.
Chad. Nice to
Chad,
meet you.
nice to meet you, man. You doing some filming?
Yeah, I'm just in town for the day, so just checking out the park.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
Yeah, New York.
No shot.
Yeah.
No shot. You drove a long way, huh?
Yeah, I'm driving around the country just doing some skating and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it, man.
Yeah.
I like
is
it.
this the only park in the area?
So there's this one, and then there's an actual park, like state built in Enterprise.
Okay.
That's about, I think, less than an hour from
okay,
here.
an hour. So this is like the only park in this area, Dothan. Or
I would
whatever,
say, yeah, in Dothan for sure.
Yeah?
For sure. Yeah, there was another DIY on the other side, but I think everything's torn down there. I've been in Georgia the last few years.
Oh, really?
I've been back for like a month, and this is the first time I come back here.
It is cool. They got some good setup here.
Dude, it's not bad for for a bunch of dudes that just came out and threw it together.
Making it happen, that's
exactly,
a great spot, yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't too involved with this, but I was like close friends with the people that were. So I've only skated like a handful of times. But
You skating or you just popping in?
No, I'm just popping in, checking it out. Like I said, I just came back into town after this shit, dude. It's been like 3 years now.
Nice.
Yeah, been working out in Georgia. So it's good seeing you
Yeah,
though, man.
nice
I'm glad to
meeting you,
see people coming all over to to skate this thing.
That was a cool spot.
That's awesome, yeah.
Nice meeting you. I am not warmed up at all, but I just had an idea for a trick to learn on the spine. All right, bear with me guys, ready? You know how you do like a fakie 270 feeble stall on a quarter pipe? All right, but picture you land in 5-0, so you're in like a front 5-0, and then come into fakie. So that's it, cab or fakie 270 front 5-0 fakie over a spine. I think it could be done. The double bar might throw me off a little bit, but yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, let's get one to feeble first. Trick has always felt a little awkward for me. Let's try to get it to 50 now. Wow, okay. Definitely overshot that one. Feels so uncomfortable for some reason. Cross lock. Okay. Actually kind of hard to turn my shoulders back. Wow. There we go. All right, let's try to get it to 5-0 fakie now. Ow. Oh, man. That slam was unnecessarily hard. Lost my car key. Got close though. Okay. Wow. All right. Hot pocket. The little spine is beating me up. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. I think that was it, but let's try to get a cleaner one. Nice, I like that one. Definitely gonna do that one more. I just remembered a comment left by Anthony Gregerson. He's got a channel, Adventures in Skateboarding at 40+. And he commented asking if I could break down my thought process, like when a trick idea comes to me. And I started thinking about it. It's kind of a weird thing to talk about. Like it's hard to kind of quantify it, like just narrow it down. But I mean, it goes something like this. Like I see that spine and I'm like, oh, that's a perfect size. And not many people have like, I don't know, it feels like there's so many different variations that may have not been done or just very rare tricks by going over the spine. So I'm like, there's tricks to maybe be invented here. And I just want to like keep exploring down that path. Or at a bare minimum, tricks I haven't done, you know? So then sometimes I'll just sit there. Like if I'm in a mini ramp and I don't have an idea that excites me, I'll just sit there and like keep thinking. I'm like, what could I even do? Like what's exciting? What haven't I done? What's a new trick no one's ever tried? So that's kind of my thought process, is trying to find those like still stylish, you know, like they walk the line, but also really unique, you know, like ones you never really see. And then that one, yeah, that's just like, I've done front 5-0 fakies before, but I've never thought of that one. And the size of this spine, I just looked at it and that just popped in my head. So, you know, those are some underlying things, but ultimately I just looked at it and the obstacle like kind of told me what I should do on it, you know? So I don't know how many years ago now, but I don't know, 10, 15, I lose track of all my skate years, but I worked at this indoor skate park called Oil City, and it was very, very slippery, dusty, you know, the kind of park where you rub your wheels on the wall, you know, to try to get like that layer of cake off so you're not like sliding everywhere. And at the shop there, they had this thing, right? This is grip gum. And when it first came out, I remember thinking like, oh, there's another gimmick, like with, you know, and then just working at the shop, like, all right, I'll try this thing. I tried it and it's one of the best inventions ever. Like this simple thing just makes so much sense. Check out my board right now. So it's super dusty. You can see it's like a completely different color. Only been skating it a couple of days. Basically came from this here. You can see all this dust on the skate light. All right. Okay, look at this. Boom, look at that. Make your board feel like brand new again. Easiest thing. I don't know, for some reason it's just like, yeah, grip gum. It just sounds almost like a gimmick, but it really works, so. They're not paying me either. I just need more grip on my board. Actually, I don't even know if they're still a company. Okay, as much as I don't want to pop my board, this thing is just too perfect to not get a trick on. As ugly as each and every one of those were, they were all first try, so pretty happy about that. Can't not feeble fakie this. All right, I think that's gonna be it for me today on the skating. I don't know. My knee has, I've been saying it in every video, my knee's been hurting, I think from driving a lot. So I'm just gonna, as much as I wanna keep skating, unless I'm like really psyched on something or, you know, it's a meetup session, I'm gonna save my energy for those days. And today just kind of give my leg a rest, stay off it, try to let it heal. Something I've learned from the sobriety journey is to take care of myself, right? And that's, I used to beat myself up. I didn't care about myself. And over the years, I think every year I progressively take care of myself better. You know, it started with the drinking and then it just snowballed. My body naturally wanted to quit smoking after that. And then after that, it was like, oh, why don't you eat healthy? Like, it was just kind of happening by itself. Yeah, and you know, it's just a very common practice to not take care of yourself, but want to take care of others, care about other people, help them. I definitely did that. You know, I would help anyone and do anything for anyone, but when it came to myself, I didn't treat myself that way. So that was a really good lesson and just something that like kind of stuck in my brain at a certain point, where it's like, are you treating yourself how you would treat someone else right now? You know, like at least give yourself a little bit, you know, it doesn't have to be exact, but a little more than you would have, you know, and that has gone a long way. And I still have a lot to work at it because I don't know, certain times I just get so obsessed with what I'm doing. You know, I throw caution to the wind. It's more about, for me, being in the moment and fully doing what I want to do, and I'm like just absorbed by. But, you know, if you want to be able to do that for the long run, you kind of have to balance it. So I think that comes with age. So I'm fighting it off. I'm still skating. I'm not doing, you know, a really good job at staying off my knee, but I'm going to rest it up a little bit today. And yeah, we got that premiere tonight at Reset Mercantile, so I'm stoked. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.